MODELMIND72 coming at you on your computer screen saying, what's up, Multiverse? This is the AMT Chevy Rescue van that we are totally customizing. Royal Flush is the name of this project. And we are still doing fabrications. And since we're in progress of doing this particular modification, we're going to go ahead and film it so you guys can kind of see a little bit of custom fabrication going on in progress. Okay, so let's bring you up to speed. We got a telescopic chop on this particular van. You can chop tops any way you want to chop them. This is a telescopic chop. It's actually something that I want to say I invented, but anyway, I'm sure it was invented before I did it, but I did it on this van, so that's I didn't Google it or anything, so I don't know if it's out there or not. But anyway, we got some Opera Port custom fabricated windows in the back of the doors here, on the back of the roof line. We got a nice big sunroof cut up here so we can actually see the engines when we look in there. Now on the front here, we're going to be doing some custom fabricated A-pillars, because we actually removed the old ones, and we're going to restyle the A-pillars to kind of bring in a whole different style. And you can use any type of styrene that you want for this, but we're gonna be using this this sign here. This is good. This is a great way to a great economical way to get material to scratch build for your projects. You know, I'm always looking for economical ways to build. All right, so let's get on this. We're going to be scratch building all of our glass on this particular project as well. So gonna have to cut all of our glass once we get our dimensions and everything. So what we want to do is kind of we're trying to get just a slight angle on this A-pillar. We want the top and the bottom to kind of I don't know if y'all are seeing this or not. We're going to try to move my fingers out of the way. But I'm just trying to get some contact points set up to get that weld going there. But basically what we want to do is try to do a restructuring of the roof line. Yeah, so what we're doing here is we're setting in the A-pillars. We want just a slight angle from the bottom up there. I'll turn it around here in a second, let you see exactly what we're looking at here. All right. You can see what I'm talking about. We're kind of got like it's going from the bottom, kind of lined it up with the side of the A-pillar, kind of lined it up with the hood. The hood there, the hood line, and then kind of angled it out towards the side on both sides here. So there you go. So there's some custom A-pillars installed. We will make our custom glass for the van. Actually, that right there changes the whole face, basically. With that chop and those new A-pillars, I mean, it brings the van's kind of got its own, getting its own character developed. So we are in gray primer. This is the Rust-Oleum ×2 primer that we're using. So we'll probably do a sand. We're gonna do some sanding, and then maybe another coat of primer, build it up a little bit more, and then continue on Royal Flush. All right, it's MODELMIND72 saying peace, love, and happiness to all, and let's have fun with the hobby, guys.